We're really excited about 8.5, and we thought that nothing would capture the excitement more than hearing from the developers themselves about what they're excited about.
So when we designed the new Framework API, we had three guiding principles: simplicity, consistency, and discoverability. The Framework API is our new API for the CMS. It's our new platform for all things that we're going to build going forward. There's the Framework APIs, which are all of our API methods, and there's the Framework UI, which in the future will contain all of our new server controls. In 8.5 will contain our new Ektron UI controls.
We have two new UI initiatives with 8.5. Along with the back-end search upgrades, the front end of search has also gotten a facelift as well, and a new architecture. We have a new server control set, templated server controls, which are based on the MVC pattern, which give our clients complete control over the markup if they want to create their own user interface from scratch.
The three coolest features of 8.5 Search would have to be probably the developer experience, the new APIs, templated controls, as well as its ability to scale from small to mid-level sites as well as the enterprise level.
And also, along with search, if you're an admin user, that comes with its own admin panels. We have these nice status pages that tell you what's going on with search, if anything's broken, if there are any crawls happening. These are definitely something new that we didn't have before for diagnostics and just general management of search.
I was responsible for the localization features of 8.5. It's upgrades to the import and the export capabilities of the localization feature. So for instance, we're able to do things like relate dependent assets for localization. There's the concept of language fallback that had been introduced that really speed the process of actually designating the content for localization, getting it out the door, and then ultimately bringing it back in a very efficient manner.
We noticed that a lot of the problems that people were running into in the past were because they didn't have enough insight into what was going on in their network. So we've developed this new tool called Sync Diagnostics and been rebranded just Ektron Diagnostics. And what that allows you to do is kind of in a real-time fashion gather all the information about your network. So you can see all of your web servers, all of your async relationships, your load balance relationships, and your multi-site relationships on a real-time map. And it'll tell you exactly what's going on with those relationships and allow you to pull back information from each of the servers in that network, including config files, log files, and the event log, and just settings in general that are used on your website.